Hello, Shubham. Do you know who I am?
Yeah, I know.
This is Jwala. इंडिया के लिए बैडमिंटन खेलती हैं.
Yeah, I know.
And you've been trolling me continuously.
First of all, I want to tell you, जो अभी तक से हो रहा था, that was just to get you here. यहाँ पे स्क्वाड्रन का टैलेंट हंट नहीं हो रहा है. This is MTV Troll Police, and this whole setup was just done for you. Do you know Jwala's achievements?
Yeah.
Do you?
You're a 14-time badminton champion.
Is it easy to be a national champion in our country? Forget international.
Not that easy.
But it's very easy to comment, right?
Well, ma'am, it's not easy to comment. It's about sharing our own views.
जब विराट कोहली हार जाता है एक मैच, आप उसके अगेंस्ट ऐसा कोई कमेंट नहीं लिखते. But I think when it comes to Jwala or women, you don't take them seriously. तेरे को लगता है कि एक स्पोर्ट्समैन को सपोर्ट की जरूरत नहीं है. You should go for passion. Why money?
Yeah.
That's what
Because
you
you
think.
have money, bro. Because you have a business. Your dad's there to support you. पीवी सिंधु का आपने नाम लिया. अगर उनको 7 साल से वो बैडमिंटन एसोसिएशन जो है अगर उनको सपोर्ट नहीं करती, she would have not gotten that medal. You, who's just
सपोर्ट
19
नहीं
years
मिलना
old.
चाहिए नहीं बोला मैंने. I said कि डेफिनेटली सपोर्ट मिलना चाहिए.
कैसे मिलेगा?
I'm not sure about it.
Then why do you comment about what I should
मैम
do?
जो दिखता है मैं being a fan, being in a democratic country, मुझे जो दिखता है मैं वही बोलता
Then you should also research before commenting, don't you think?
हूँ. I do, ma'am.
You are an educated guy, right?
This woman is a 2-time Olympian. जब ये ओलंपिक्स में जाएंगी, वहाँ पे वो 5 रिंग्स दिखेंगे इनको. What is she gonna do? This is a picture of her at Olympics.
Sir, I'd like to justify this comment. I know this
पहले
comment.
पढ़ ले. पहले पढ़. Say it to her.
This is what you went to Rio for, clicking selfies, roaming around, and I wish the time you wasted clicking pictures and roaming around would have been utilized on practice, so group stages से बाहर नहीं होते. I'd like to say, sir, when she was going for Rio Olympics, before that she went to an interview, as far as I remember, and the interviewer asked, "Ki, ma'am, what should we expect out of this Olympics?" So she very boldly said that, "Expect nothing less than a medal."
Correct.
So I also wanted a medal out of you.
I am playing for my country on field. Do you think I would not want it more than you?
Definitely, ma'am.
Okay. आज आपने ये जो physical test दिया, you said it's just another day.
Yeah.
Why would you say that?
Bad day.
Bad day.
आज
Why?
मेरा bad day.
So I can't have a bad day. I'm a superhuman.
It was not knockouts that you could have a bad day.
What? What are you saying? मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा आप अपने आप को एक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन या स्पोर्ट्स लवर कैसे बोल सकते हो when you can have a bad day and I can't. I have the pressure of the whole country.
I understand.
But you don't get to tell me that I am not focused on my game.
It's bringing somebody down कि अगर तू सेल्फियाँ नहीं ले रही होती ना तो
Is
जीत
it
जाती.
because of selfie I lost? That's what you think?
Maybe वो comment ज़्यादा offending हो उस time. I had certain expectation गुस्से में या anything.
विराट कोहली क्यों नहीं लिखा आज तक तूने? We just lost a match because he got married.
I never said that.
No, you
मैंने-
didn't. The whole world said. Why didn't you say? तेरे को गुस्सा नहीं आता?
Why? Because he's a cricketer. रोज ही सेंचुरी मार रहा है वो. Every day.
नहीं, मेरे को भी
Then-
बहुत अच्छा लगता है यार. पर जिस दिन वो खराब होता है मैं मैसेज करता हूँ यूवी को. यूवी मेरा
I
दोस्त
am
है.
on
कि यार
call.
ब्रदर बैड डे doesn't matter यार.
Yeah?
कल पेल दियो. As a fan, as a friend, as whatever.
As a sports person.
That's the one day they need your support. What do you have to say about this picture? Nice picture of her in a sari.
Yeah.
Read it and wipe that smile off your face. It's disrespecting.
भले ही 2 किलो का मेकअप लगा के अच्छी दिख जाओ पर खेलना अभी तक सही आया नहीं. Utilize your time properly rather than wasting time posing always.
So now you have a problem with how I look. We can't wear makeup in sports.
You can.
Looking glamorous is wrong.
No.
So what's the problem?
एक बार और स्माइल करेगा then I'm going to change my attitude towards you.
Sorry, sir.
Is this funny to you?
No, sir.
तेरे को पता है कितनी सीनियर है?
I know.
जब तू पैदा नहीं होता तब 6 साल खेल चुकी थी बैडमिंटन.
How?
This woman's time changes our country's fate. She should be practicing right now. She's wasting it on improving your life. समझ?
Why do you have a beard? To look good? Why do you have a certain hairstyle? You've chopped off some hair over here to look good? Why looking good is so important to you? It gives you confidence.
यार तेरे को पता है कि हमारे कमेंट्स हमारी फैमिलीज पढ़ती हैं. मेरी आई हैव अ वाइफ, आई हैव पेरेंट्स. इनके कमेंट्स सिर्फ ये नहीं पढ़ती, इनके डैड पढ़ते हैं, इनके मॉम पढ़ते हैं, इनके कजन्स, इनके दोस्त. और वो बोलते हैं यार ये लोग इसके बारे में, इसके फैंस इसको ऐसा बोलते हैं.
Because I am seeing you posting pictures, I'm not seeing you practicing.
Who have you seen practicing? You've seen news channels go before the match. They're knocking the ball just to they're not practicing. एक और पढ़ूं? I can't read the next comment, man. I can't.
Do you want me to read it? I can read it. Okay, that's my mom, right? चाइना का माल है, इसीलिए ज़्यादा टिकी नहीं.
I'm so upset, man. I'm not even angry. I'm so upset.
What does it mean? You mean to say I'm not Indian? And I'm China ka maal? I won some medals and gave it to China or something like that? What is it? What is it that... What's going on in your head?
गुस्से में पता नहीं क्या चलता है उस वक्त दिमाग में.
क्यों गुस्सा
कहीं और
है?
का गुस्सा, कहीं और. Could be a possibility.
इनकी पेट्रियोटिज्म पे सवाल उठा रहे हो तुम.
I'm definitely more patriot than you.
चाइना का माल ऐसे बातें करते हैं लड़कियों से.
No, sir. मुझे ओपिनियन बेटर वे से पोर्ट्रे करना चाहिए.
यार ये जो अथॉरिटी आई है ना हमारे यूथ में कि ये मेरा ओपिनियन है, मैं बोलूँगा मैं डेमोक्रेटिक में रह रहा हूँ. क्या किया तूने अभी तक से डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री के लिए?
Is it because I'm a woman, like I'm a sports person?
Easy target because other people were saying things to her. तो तूने कहा मैं भी भेड़ देता हूँ कि तू एक बहती गंगा में हाथ धोने वाला आदमी है. I want to ask you, without being aggressive, I am controlling myself so much. You know me.
Yes, sir. I know.
I don't want to be mean to you, man. But imagine if she had to turn around and take a snapshot of your face and put it on her profile. कि ये लड़का मेरे बारे में ये बोलता है. तूने written proof दिया. Do you know the repercussions of attacking someone like this? If she finds out who you are, there are cases against you. Defamation और तेरे को पता है ये सब चीजें?
You have really kind of proved me right कि हमारी youth अभी यही है. And this kind of youth will not take the country anywhere. And this is why the girls are still suffering in this 21st century because of youth like you.
First of all, what do you think of what you've done? ये जो opportunities है ना, ये सिर्फ बहुत कम लोगों को मिलती है. And इसको एक opportunity मान. You're getting to redeem yourself. You have that opportunity. First of all, do you feel like apologizing to her? Do you feel like taking these back? अपने मन में सोच के बोल. And then do it, and then we'll get into what the problem is, and we'll try to help you.
Definitely, what I wrote was wrong, ma'am. I shouldn't have done that. You've been representing this country, what I dreamt of one day. You've been doing that. I should motivate you to do that and look myself into your place, but I didn't. I did the complete opposite, and I'm really sorry about that.
Now, what is going on in your life? Is something really bothering you? The fact that you didn't become a sportsman, कुछ ऐसा तेरे लाइफ में तुझे लग रहा है कि तुझे ज़बरदस्ती और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है लाइफ में? What is the problem in life? संकट क्या है?
I feel my ego is my problem.
और तेरे डैड के काम में जब तेरे डैड ही तुझे बोलते हैं कि चल ये कर मत करो, तो फिर
I want to do it something by myself. मैं किसी पे dependent नहीं होना चाहता.
और अभी तक से वो हुआ नहीं.
Yeah, definitely it feels bad. Everybody around me who was with me, they're going good, they're settling in life, and I'm going nowhere. So it gets frustrating at times.
We've seen more life than you.
Yes, definitely.
ठीक है, तेरे पास बहुत टाइम, अगर तू 19 में मायूस हो जाएगा और अपनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन लेजेंड्स पे निकालने लग पड़ेगा, देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम, यू गॉट टू फिक्स दैट।
मुझे यही लगता है कि अपनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन जो है, you're 19, you're frustrated
होनी नहीं चाहिए।
and you don't have to do anything, कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता है, बट है शेल्टर और क्या खाने के लिए, और आई एम श्योर यू ऑल्सो ड्राइव अ कार, या मुझे कार मेरी सैलरी से खरीदनी पड़ी। दैट वाज आवर फर्स्ट कार इन आवर फैमिली, सो यू नो बहुत डिफरेंस है। You have more opportunities than me. As a blessed child and also as a man, we are living in a very discriminated society. जहाँ हम लड़कियों को लड़ना पड़ता है opportunity के लिए, आपको नहीं लड़ना पड़ता. Because you're the heir of your family.